Hi, Mubashir here from LMS Crafter, and in this video, we're going to talk about a plugin called the Show LearnDash Certificate Anywhere. What this plugin do is that this plugin actually allows you to embed your LearnDash certificate on any page. So what happened previously is that when you earn any certificate, you are only able to see those certificate pages on your courses page. You get download from there. So this really simple plugin allows you to embed those earned certificate on anywhere on your website. It can be on your dashboard page, it can be on your a quiz page, or anywhere where you think that user are convenient to download those and can see that. And it's pretty simple. So first you need to do is that simply go here and download this plugin. So we have already downloaded this plugin and installed on our plugin tests website. What you need to do is that when you install this plugin, this menu item will show up right here in the certificate customizer. As you open up, you will be able to see all of the options that this simple plugin have. Okay, so we can actually choose the certificate icon. It can be a star, ribbon, trophy, medal, scroll, or it can be none. Also we can choose the font color. I'm going to choose that font color to be black, and we can choose the font size, font weight, the background, the line height, margin, and the link color, and the link hover as well. Okay, so this is a really simple backend. So what we need to do is that to display those earned certificate, what we need to do is simply just copy this shortcode and come on the front end of the website and add. I have already actually added the shortcode widget. You can actually add that here from shortcode inside Elementor. Simply put there, and that's it. This is how simply you can actually add the earn certificate on this anywhere on your website. That's the simplest way to do that.